Hello everybody, I'm Aqil, and today I'm doing my myology PBD1, which is movement of substance across plasma membrane, which is making pickles. Let's start. These are the ingredients that I use, which is a mango, 1 lime, 2 chilies, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of salt. First up, peel off the skin of the mango. Next, cut the mango into smaller pieces and put it inside a container, and be sure to not waste any of it. After that, cut off the chili and the lime into smaller pieces and put it on a plate. You don't really have to use the same amount as I do. You could use it according to your own liking. Then, put all of your ingredients carefully. Okay, maybe not like that. Anyways, put all of your ingredients inside a jar. Add in the sugar, the salt, the chilies, and squeeze in the lime. For the penultimate, close off the lid of the jar and shake the sweet pickles well. Do this for about 1 minute to ensure all of the ingredients are mixed together. Finally, put the sweet pickles into the refrigerator and you're done. I would like to appreciate Encik Effendi for guiding me to do this project. Without him, I couldn't do much better. Thank you and have a great day. Cut.